What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be running the Sonicwake V2, and we're going to be testing out Mad Lizard's turn fins. Those are the stainless steel ones you saw in my previous video on this boat. A couple other things I did off camera just a little bit ago. I had to readjust these turn fins. I did not take it out in the water yet, but also with these trim tabs, I leveled them with the bottom of the boat, so there's no positive, no negative. It's just straight along the bottom. And we also have the dasboata prop we're going to be testing again. I tightened up the rudder, so that's fine. So I made a little bit of tuning there. And over here, if you guys remember in that video with the Mad Lizard's water resistant case for the GNSS meter, and as you can see the lights glowing right through it. And we're going to be again testing out these Z Premium Series 3S battery packs. I have, I think, 1 or 2 runs on these. Not very many, 1 or 2 runs. They are fully charged, ready to rip, and I like to check out the runtime and see, because these batteries are so light, especially compared to these big old bricks, as you can see. I mean, look at the difference there, man. Jeez. And they still work with this box here. But I get better speed runs running these heavier batteries than I do with these. But then again, I didn't have anything tuned here properly. I'm not saying it's properly tuned now, but we're going to find out. But after running this boat in all the stock settings, after bending a trim tab and getting them replaced, shout out to Mad Lizard for letting me know when these were going to be available on the market, because when they were, I bought them right away, along with 2 of these cases. Another thing on this box, what I did, you probably can't see on camera, but where it's, you know, it's water resistant, okay? So I took that waterproof tape, this stuff right here, or if you want the part number, it's right there. So I ran some tape around that seam where the lid closes, and yeah, that should keep this watertight now instead of water resistant. All right, let's go ahead and pop that on. My radio is on. First thing you want to do all the time, we're going to hit the power button, make sure all our cells are working. Okay, let's test our steering before we tape the lid on, and let's check the prop. All right, guys, we are powered up. And an update from Horizon Hobbies. Thank you very much for your support. You guys are the bomb. I love your warranty system. I have never had one issue with them, like replacing this servo. What else do they do? Oh, and these here hex screws, they actually got back to me yesterday and told me and send me the tracking number, because they are sending me those hexes from them contacting the proboat team. So how about that? All right, we are all set up here, taped up. Not the fanciest tape job, but I did make sure I covered these holes, because I don't know about you guys, but ever since this boat was brand new, I've always gotten water in it, no matter how tight I tighten these. All right, guys, let's come over here. Let's go ahead. We are on track. We're running 15 to 16 satellites. I'm going to hit start. It says testing. Let's make sure she's moving around. Let's see, I'm just moving it in the air. Yeah, she is reading. Again, I don't know where I want to launch this at, guys. Man. Well, here goes nothing. Oh, man, I just don't know. Golly, this is so dirty. Okay, I think I'm going to launch it over here. It looks a little bit cleaner. Just going to launch it out there. Make sure we're still working. Maybe it'll break it up. Oh, there it goes. Okay, it's just on the top. Now, another thing, guys. Let's see here. I don't have my tugboat here, which is pretty stupid of me, because if I lose this thing, I don't think she's going to float back. So I'm just gonna check out the left turn. Oh yeah, right turn is always amazing. Now remember, guys, we're going to do this speed run. Let's see how much better she gets. Oh man, Dude, she turns on a dime now. Okay, let's see how we do. Okay, we are almost full throttle, half throttle, full throttle. Oh, she cut out. See, I do not like these. I don't know if it's the batteries. Why does she cut out? Is it the batteries? Or, you know, let me put in the other. Let me just check the speed that she did. But yeah, she cut out, man. Man, what the heck? Okay, come over here. Let's check her speed. So we're gonna hit stop. And then we're gonna hit read. 47 miles an hour. See, I know it wasn't top end because that's, well, obviously where she cut out. So let's go ahead and get her back out there. Make sure that everything is good. That little bit of sand out of there. Yeah, she looks good. All right, guys. All right, here we go. All right, we're at full throttle. Nope, and just cut out. What is the deal here, guys? Okay, yeah, again, I don't know why she's cutting out. Let's go ahead and try this again. We'll hit start. And she's zeroed out and she is testing. Okay, yeah, I'm just not sure what the deal is here, man. God, it drives me nuts. And I just want to try to run these batteries because you know, they are brand new, and I got other 3S vehicles that I could test it in. Yep, and she cut out because that was full throttle out there. There's right turn, left turn. Oh, right turns, that's killer, man. Yeah, that's a little too much. Left turns, a lot better. Could probably drop that fin down in the water so she grabs a little bit more. Okay, let's go ahead and check the other batteries. Maybe we'll get some temps. Go from there. All right, let's check that. Stop. Read. 49 mile an hour before she cut out. Let's go ahead and drop these big bricks in here and see how much better she does. Let's see if she cuts out. If not, I'm gonna have to contact Horizon and maybe they can ask why. Maybe I'm overloading the ESC from running the bigger prop. I don't know. I thought I had brought another prop. Oh yeah, I got the supersonic Geico, but I don't have the stock prop. Yeah, here's this. No, the Super Geico prop. Because that's this is here the one that's installed. This 3-blade. That is a supersonic prop from dasboata. This one here is the same from dasboata, and this one is for the Geico. I was gonna try to run it on here, but I don't see what the point is if she's cutting out. So hey guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna swap out the batteries. Let's check out these bricks and see how well it does with those. And for those that are curious about temps, I just popped the lid off. We'll check the motor, the 85, so the back of the motor, 89, the batteries, 106, 100. Okay, check the plug-ins here, 116, 112. Let's see the ESC, 130, 126. Okay. Yeah, so seems like the ESC is getting hot. I wonder if that's causing it to cut out. But let's see. I mean, temps seem to be fine right now. I think the ESC was getting a little warm there. I'm gonna go ahead and swap these batteries out and we shall return. All right, we have the 9,000 mAh battery packs in. As you can see, they come right up to the foam that I installed. It's not factory. That allows the batteries not to move, and of course it fits perfect with the Mad Lizard case there for your speed analyzer, or for your performance analyzer. So yeah, okay, let's go ahead and power the boat back on. First transmitter. Okay, make sure right there. Okay, let's go ahead and power it on. All right. I did not make any adjustments to the trim tabs. I left them alone. I also didn't touch the turn fins yet, because I think she's turning fine. Maybe a little sharp. I could probably pull them out of the water more, maybe get less drag, more speed. I don't know. I am not no professional at this at all, will never claim to be. I just love running these out in the water. All right, we're all taped off, ready for the next run with these bricks. And let's go ahead and hit start. Let's see here, right, start. There we go. Testing. Yeah, I'm really impressed with the way she's steering now with those new turn fins. Okay, here we go. Man, this thing's a lot heavier now. Well, hopefully she don't cut out. I'm just gonna give her a full rip away from us, just ripping it. Get her up on plane. Okay, we're in a plane, full throttle right now. Look at that. Uh-oh. I don't know if I hit something or what. Or she just flipped. All right, let's bring her back. Full throttle. Oh, she did a little jump there. Cool. I'm gonna turn the steering weight. I'm gonna need to turn the steering rate down on this one. All right. Glad all that muck cleared up. Broke it up anyway. Okay, let's see what we got. I don't want to get that rudder in the sand, so let's keep it out there. Okay. Let's come over here and check our speed. We're gonna hit stop. Oh, I don't know if I hit it. Did I hit it? Yep, stop. Read. Oh, 53 mile an hour. Okay. You know, not impressed. So let's try that again. Let's hit start. Okay, testing. Come over here. Let's try that again. Full throttle. See a little jump again there. I wonder what that's all about. That's okay. Okay, we are coming in at full throttle. No, she did cut out. Look at that. So it's not the batteries, so I'm assuming it's got to be the ESC cutting out. The motor timing, everything is stock, guys. The ESC, I do have a programmer, but nothing, I've done nothing different to it. It's all stock settings. Very, very, very strange. Maybe one of you guys can help me out why it's cutting out. Is it the ESC? Is it, you know, I'm sure the batteries can handle what I'm giving it. Or is the prop too big for this boat, for the stock setup? I mean, that's the only thing I can think of. So let's go over here. Maybe I might have to upgrade the ESC. I don't know, but I guess the best way to test that is with the stock prop. All right, let's hit stop. Let's hit read. Okay, come on, come on. Hey, maybe we did 100 mile an hour. No, just kidding. Yeah, right. 53. Yeah, don't look like I'm getting much more than that. So hey guys, if you made it this far in the video, please like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends. I am definitely curious on what's going on with this beast. So yeah, I don't like using reverse, but I want to keep it out of the scum. Hold on. I don't care, water's not going to get in it. I got to take off. Okay, full launch. Alright guys, let's just have some fun with it. I'm not even gonna bother with temps because got a right turn here. Go do a left turn. Look at that. Oh man, whoa, on a left turn? That is awesome, man. I could totally raise those fins up, I'm sure. Maybe keep the left one down a little. Alright guys, we're just gonna go out here, have some fun. Another disappointment in the speed run. Look at that, no cutting out there. Man, this thing is boogieing, but man, it's only. And that look a little faster than 53 on that one. Look at that water. Look at that rooster tail. My God. Full throttle, guys. No cutting out. Will you see? Look, that is awesome. Okay, that did cut out right there. My bad. But testing the left turns on the Mad Lizard fins. Highly recommend. Well, imagine that, my GoPro battery died. Huh. Full charge, I don't know, 25 minutes and dead. That's them generic batteries that I run. Anyway, guys, so yeah. I don't remember where I left off. But either way, I got a giveaway going on. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, maybe in the next couple of videos, I will mention what the giveaway is going to be and how to enter, all that good stuff. It's a $500 value for what I got into it. I have videos on all of it, which I'll link below if you're interested in watching, if you're interested in crawlers and stuff. I'll tell you, I got an SCX 24. I got a lot of money in, a lot of good parts on. You'll get all the spare parts, everything, all kinds of tires, wheels, all kinds of Endura parts. Yeah, so, but you must subscribe. I'll get the giveaway going, or we'll draw the winner once I hit 1,000 subscribers and go from there. So yeah, guys, please, like I said again, for the probably 10th time, subscribe.